Have you ever wondered how a child learns to speak fluently without ever studying a single grammar rule? That's called the direct method. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can use this same method to learn English, just like a child learns their first language. Stick around till the end, because this could completely change the way you learn English. The direct method means learning a language directly, through pictures, actions, and real-life situations, without translating into your native language at all. Think about how a child learns. Nobody teaches a baby grammar rules. Nobody explains this is a noun or this is a verb. Instead, the child hears a word again and again, connected to a real object or action, until the meaning becomes automatic. For example, a parent points to a ball and says ball multiple times. The child doesn't translate it. They simply connect the sound ball with the round object they're looking at. This is exactly the method we're going to apply to learning English as an adult. The first principle of the direct method is learn new words through pictures, not dictionary definitions. Instead of looking up a word and reading its meaning in your native language, find a picture that represents it. For example, instead of reading happy, a feeling of joy, just look at a picture of a smiling person and connect it directly to the word happy. This way, your brain builds a direct link between the word and its meaning. No translation, no extra step, just like a child learning their first words. The second principle is learn language through actions, not isolated word lists. Children learn phrases in context. They hear, "Let's eat" during mealtime, or "time to sleep" at bedtime. The phrase and the situation happen together, so the meaning becomes clear naturally. As an adult, you can do the same thing. While pouring water, say to yourself, "I am pouring water." While opening a door, say, "I am opening the door." Connect phrases to real actions as you do them. This builds natural, automatic language use, not memorized textbook sentences. The third principle is repetition, but through variety, not boring drills. A child doesn't repeat a word by reading it 50 times on a page. They hear it in different situations, said by different people, in different tones. So instead of repeating a word from a list, try hearing and using it in 5 different situations throughout your day. For example, if you're learning the word open, open a door, open a book, open an app, open your eyes, open a bottle, all while saying the word out loud each time. This kind of repetition sticks in your memory far better than mechanical repetition ever will. Here's something important that most language learners skip. Children listen for many months before they ever speak a full sentence. They absorb sounds, rhythms, and patterns of the language long before they produce it themselves. As an adult learner, give yourself permission to simply listen more. Watch English videos, listen to conversations, and don't worry about speaking perfectly right away. The more input you absorb naturally, the more naturally your output, your speaking, will eventually come out. Let's turn all of this into a simple daily plan. Morning, learn 3 new words using only pictures, no translation. Afternoon, narrate 5 of your actions in English as you do them, like a running commentary of your day. Evening, watch or listen to 10 minutes of English content purely for listening, without pressure to understand every word. Before bed, pick 1 new word and use it in 5 different situations, saying it out loud each time. This is exactly how a child naturally absorbs a language, and it works just as well for adults if you stay consistent. That's the direct method, learning English the way a child learns their first language, through pictures, actions, and natural repetition, without translation. If this video helped you, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Tell me in the comments, which principle are you going to start with today?